I need to film a video, but I don't want to do it. I'll see what I can do. Hi. Mercy, what are you doing?
Princess washed the clothes. They smell very good. So I'm going to somewhere. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So I'll go get the customers ready for the video. Pugsley, you're the only one with a wallet. Okay, get out here. Okay, your head, hold him. So, we're gonna go to look at a job, okay?
Yeah, I want the money. Yeah, money.
Guys, can you stop? Yeah, okay, yeah, just come on, Mousy. Yeah, what are you doing here? I don't know. Oh, I was suddenly something. Alright, so let's go.
Oh, and let me unlock the door for you. Yeet! You seriously have to do that every time? Yes, I do. Thank you very much. Okay, well, that was strange. Okay, guys, come on. We need to film a video.
I'm a teen guy, and I can climb walls like this. Yay!
Okay, yeah, I want the money, okay? Bye. Yay!
Hey, Charlotte. Yeah, she's kind of on top of me. What can you tell about us upstairs so we don't have to walk? Okay. What's going on with your voice? Marcy is on me, and he's fiddling with my voice. Marcy is so... Well, the oar's right there, so that makes sense.
Yeah. Okay, now you sound like Brown. One night.
What are you sound like Finn?
Okay.
Bye. Okay, teleport us. Bye. See you later. Whee! Look at the little puppy.
I am up here now. Okay, and no, I'm stuck. Please, can you? Yeet. Okay, thank you. All the lessons I learned from snow paid off.
Hey guys, can you get over here? We're already here.
Yeet. How did you get here that fast?
We are so lit to teleport us. I'm stuck.
Don't we need sugar for the cookies?
One right here.
No, the actual ingredient.
My name is Sugar.
The ingredient, not the elephant.
Do we need salt?
Oh my gosh. Why did we name them after ingredients?
I don't know. My name is Strawberry. Your name is Peanut.
Okay, well, then her name is Ellie, so that makes no sense.
So, hey, why did you do that?
I want my money.
I got it. I think I got it. I almost got it. Here, let me help you. Okay, now we have it. Now, let's look at the ingredients. Let's say we have need flour, baking soda, salt. I'm here, okay? Right here, kitchen on that. The ingredients. Oh my gosh, can anyone do this? Okay. So we need flour, baking soda, salt, butter, softened butter, that is granulated sugar, brown sugar, vanilla extract, eggs, chocolate chips, and that's about it. I got the eggs! Sugar! We might already have a problem. And that is, can we just use these ones? Those are hard-boiled, okay? Those are hard-boiled. We cannot use them. Can't we just get Doogie to make them into non-hard-boiled eggs? Look, it's me. And Sunrise, and the Wizard, and Party, and Cinder.
Okay, I'll go get Doogie. I'll be right back.
Okay, now we need to get the rest of the ingredients. Why didn't you help?
I told you I'm only doing this for the money.
You're serious?
Yes, I am very serious in business. I am a businessman, and that's final.
Yeah, but you could help.
I don't want to. Now look what you did. Okay, fine, I'll help. Yum, 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 yum. And, yeah. Okay, I got the ball up there. give me your money now. Like your whole wallet.
Hey! No, that is not how this goes.
But I want money.
Cookies, okay? You give me cookies. Yeah, huh? Yeah. I up here with Jackson, my friend Jackson, and to buy some cookies.
Yeah, and I'm gonna have to use the money out of Pudley's wallet. Because apparently everyone else here doesn't have a wallet.
They're very cheap. They're $1 each.
Hey, no. You will take 5 cookies, please. Yeah, money, money. Money, give it to me.
Cookies!
Okay, I'll let you do your thing. Can I go to bed now?
What is with that guy and taking naps?
I don't know, but it's my turn. So, come here, Gussie. Gus, look at me.
What is it? How many cookies
Do you want?
I don't know. You're the one who wanted to come here.
Because I like cookies.
Not as much as cookies.
Well, yeah, he's crazy. He's absolutely crazy.
What about your brother?
Yeah, he is.
Cookies! I hear you talking about cookies.
Okay, bye, cookie. We're getting your cookies. Okay. Where can I just use some of this money? Is that a yes? You will take 10 cookies, please. Money.
Dad, you knocked us over. Why did you do that? Yeah, why?
I need money. I want my money.
They only want 10 cookies, so give them $10 back.
Why do I have to?
Yes, you have to.
Here's your $10. Now go get out of my hair and go get your cookies. Yeah, okay, come here, Gus. Okay, come here, we're going to get cookies. Cookies.
Don't steal my cookies!
Okay, right, wrong.
Why am I friends with this person?
He's the crazy one, not me.
You're the one yelling and screaming.
Because he is annoying.
Well, I would just like 2 cookies, please.
Hey, why you're here? Remember when we went to school?
Oh, yeah.
Why did you come from the woods when all the rest of us were just popped out of existence?
Well, I was popped out of existence too, but I appeared in the woods. Why? Oh, that's simple, because I was with Finley.
And he decided to stay in the woods?
Because he likes being in the woods.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like being in the woods.
Oh, well, that makes a lot of sense.
Okay, thanks for the cookies. Bye. What's that? Yeah. Why is it? Okay.
Hey, Bill.
Hey, Bill, take your wallet. So good.
Just a second. I like the cookies.
Oh, that was because they were made with my egg.
No, that's not the reason.
Yes, it is. No, it's not. It's my egg, and I tastes good because it's my egg and no one else's egg.
That's not what happened.
Yes, it